Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking pork pochero. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have chorizo de Bilbao, tomatoes, onions, garlic, plantain or saging na saba, pechay or you can use bochoy, cabbage, beef broth, whole peppercorn, tomato sauce, and also chickpeas or garbanzos, salt and pepper, fish sauce, olive oil, and today we're going to be using pork belly. We boiled this pork belly already and it's already tender, so this won't take a long time to cook. Tops would be, I should say, 20 minutes, and our pochero will be ready. So let's get started. In our hot pot here, let's put a little olive oil. All right. Let's put in our onions. Cook it for 1 minute. The onion is cooked. Let's put our garlic. Cook for another 30 seconds. Let's add our chorizo de Bilbao. Cook for a minute. Let's put our tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Cook for another minute. Let's add fish sauce. Teaspoon of fish sauce. Pork already, and we're gonna cook this for the next 2 minutes. But this time we can add our tomato sauce. Okay. All right. Give it a good stir. All right. Cover it. Cook for the next 2 minutes. Let's check our pork. Wow. Looks beautiful. Now we can add some beef broth. And we're gonna let this simmer for the next 5 to 7 minutes. All right, here you go. Let's cover it. Let's check our pochero. Wow, looks beautiful. So this time we're gonna put our plantain. Okay. And our garbanzos or chickpeas. Okay. And then we'll cover this, simmer this for a few minutes. Let's say another 2 minutes. Let's add a little of salt and pepper. This is pepper. We're gonna add a little, just a little of salt. Okay. All right. Then let's let it simmer. After 2 minutes, let's check our pochero. Wow, smells real good. Now we can add our cabbage. It's beautiful. Smells real good. I wish you were here so you can smell the aroma of this. We'll cover it. Now let's check the pochero. Wow, the cabbage is cooked already. So we're gonna put our pechay or bochoy, which will take only 1 minute, and after that this will be ready to serve. Here's the finished product, pork pochero. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day.